Good evening, ma'am. This is Pranavi from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I'm going to present a seminar on the topic inheritance. So let's start. First of all, what is inheritance? Inheritance means creating a new class based on the existing ones. The before the which was existed, that class is known as a parent class or a superclass or a base class. And the child class is the derived class or the called as subclass. So here the child class inherits the characteristics of a parent class. Here we use the keyword uh, extends to build an inheritance relationship between the parent class and the child class. Here we can see class car extends vehicle. Car is the child class, vehicle is the superclass. And the inheritance should create an easy relationship, means the child will be the more specific version of the parent. Next, types of inheritance. There are five types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Let's see one by one about this. First is the single inheritance. Single inheritance means only one subclass, only one subclass is inherited from the one superclass. Here we can see the example of vehicle and car. Vehicle is the superclass and car is the subclass. Next, here we can see the example of the animal class. It is a parent class and dog is the child class inheriting the characteristics from the animal class. Next, a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means it is here the an intermediate class is present between the superclass and the subclass. There are three classes, that is a superclass, intermediate class, and the subclass. Superclass, intermediate class is inherited from the superclass, and through intermediate class, the subclass has been inherited. For example, vehicle, car, and electric car. Vehicle is a superclass, car is the intermediate class, electric car is a subclass. Here we can see the example of a class animal. This is the parent class. Class dog extends animal. Animal is the parent class and dog is the intermediate class. Child class. Class puppy extends dog. Puppy is the child class and dog is the intermediate class. Um, Next, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, it is a type of inheritance where there are multiple child classes inherit from a single class. For example, there is only one superclass, but there are multiple subclasses. Here, that one superclass, it acts as a foundation for multiple subclasses, and it is a relationship. Mm, uh, the inheritance here over in hierarchical, it is a relationship. Through this we can use the code reusability. We can if we written the code once and we can use it many times. Here we can see A is the superclass, B, C, D are the subclasses of the superclass A. Next, a multiple inheritance through interface. Multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. These two inheritance are done through interface. It is in multiple inheritance. There is a feature where the there is more than one parent class. And Java does not support multiple inheritance using the classes. It supports using interfaces. If two parent classes having the same method, the compiler cannot decide which one to inherit. That's why the Java does not support multiple inheritance using the classes. We can implement the class interface through keyword implements. Next, hybrid inheritance through interface. Hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of two or more types of inheritance. The common hybrid pattern are like single inheritance and of multiple inheritance. And hybrid inheritance also does not support uh, Using classes, it is done using interfaces. A is here. This is the example of the hybrid inheritance. Thank you.